A modern restaurant environment showing 3 ways customers order today. On one side, a QR code on the table represents table ordering. In the middle, a mobile phone shows online ordering for convenience. And on the other side, a POS system highlights fast, staff-controlled order management. This visual shows how restaurants are combining different ordering methods to improve service. A side-by-side comparison of table ordering, online ordering, and POS systems. It highlights how each system works, who it's best for, and how it impacts speed, staffing, and customer experience. This makes it easier for restaurant owners to understand which system fits their business needs. A decision-making visual showing when to choose each ordering system. Table ordering is ideal for personal, full-service dining experiences. Online ordering is perfect for delivery, pickup, and reaching more customers. And POS systems work best for fast-paced restaurants that need speed and control. This helps restaurant owners choose based on their service style and customer expectations. A step-by-step visual guide showing how to build an online food ordering website. It walks through everything, from choosing a domain and hosting, installing WordPress, setting up menus, and launching the system. This process shows how simple it is to get started with a complete restaurant ordering solution. A powerful visual showing all ordering systems working together in one place. A central dashboard connects table ordering, online ordering, and POS into a single system. This highlights how restaurants can manage everything efficiently from one dashboard. Trusted by thousands of restaurant owners, it represents a complete solution for modern restaurant operations.